Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Lenz and Stevens equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool animated goofy lamp. Now I talked with Lynn and Steven, and they have a goofy collection, so it was pretty cool to hear about the items that they have collected up through the years. And this goofy lamp is one of the items. Now Goofy has a mechanical issue. The light and the electronics to Goofy are fine. They've been troubleshooted, and they troubleshooted out to be good. Now this unit has a gear cluster inside of Goofy, and the gears are clicking and they sound like they're shearing. And so the gears are out of time and they're not working properly. So we need to troubleshoot the gear cluster. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool lamp. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention when plugging in the electrical cord and unplugging the electrical cord, you always want to make sure that the switch is in the off position, and then once Goofy is plugged into the electrical outlet, you can always turn the switch on. Now we have Goofy plugged in, and we want to turn the switch on. You will see a little flash of the light. That's just an indication that Goofy has power. Now we can go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
Now we want to wait a second because the electronics to this type of lamp are very delicate, and you really don't want to turn the unit on and off real quick. Now we'll go ahead and turn Goofy off.
Who turned out the light?
Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn Goofy on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll give it a second. We'll turn the unit off.
Where'd you go?
And we'll go ahead and turn Goofy back on. turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And now we'll turn Goofy on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return them back to Lynn and Steven, and they can enjoy this lamp. I'm sure he's going to look great no matter where he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.